Unlock the rhythm. Understanding the waltz in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're going to dive into a phrase that's danced its way into many languages, the waltz. Whether you're a language beginner or looking to add some finesse to your vocabulary, this video is your step-by-step guide to understanding this elegant expression. Let's twirl through the meaning together. Before we understand the phrase, let's take a step back and look at what a waltz is. Originally a type of dance that gained popularity in the 19th century, the waltz is characterized by its fluid, graceful movements and a unique 3/4 time signature. Imagine dancers spinning elegantly in a ballroom. That's the waltz. But when we refer to the waltz in a phrase, we're often not talking about the dance itself. It can be a metaphor for something that moves in a smooth, continuous manner, much like the dance. It's often used to describe situations, interactions, or events that have a sense of harmony and rhythm. The waltz holds significant cultural value. It's more than just a dance, it's a symbol of tradition and sophistication in many Western cultures. When used in language, it brings with it an air of elegance and class. When we hear someone say, "They waltzed into the room," it doesn't mean they literally danced in. Instead, it suggests they entered with confidence and ease. The phrase can also suggest a level of unconcerned or casual behavior in a situation, as in, "She just waltzed through the tasks without any difficulty." Let's put the waltz into action with some examples. His answers during the interview were so polished. He waltzed through it. They waltzed around the topic, never directly addressing the issue. With years of experience, she can waltz through any challenge. And that's the rhythm of the waltz in the English language. From a sophisticated dance to a versatile expression, it's a phrase that can add a touch of elegance to your communication. We hope this video helps you waltz your way to English mastery. Keep practicing, and you'll be dancing through conversations with ease. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.